In this video, I will demonstrate a combination of 4 powerful indicators that will provide you with clear entry and exit signals. This strategy will help you engage in smart trading without any confusion. So be sure to watch the video until the very end. If you enjoy this type of content, please give it a like and support the channel by subscribing. Let's get started. We open the SPX 1-minute chart. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the twin range filter visualized. Select the indicator made by Keybank Ozbilgic and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. First, we have change slow period, 55 to 26. We have change fast period, 27 to 8. Here, everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. In this video, I haven't just presented theory. Instead, I've demonstrated exactly how this indicator works in practice by executing 5 live trades. Each trade adheres to a clear entry point, a proper exit strategy, and a disciplined approach, providing you with a practical understanding of how this strategy performs in real market conditions. In every setup, I have aimed to maintain a risk-to-reward ratio of approximately 2.1 or higher, thereby creating opportunities for superior returns while keeping the risk low. Furthermore, the stop loss was consistently placed at the blue line to ensure effective risk management and to guard against unnecessary losses. Remember, this approach is grounded in consistency and discipline. Therefore, rather than acting in haste, wait patiently for the right setup and strictly adhere to the established rules. Now that the first indicator setup is clear, let's move on to the next indicator, which makes this strategy even stronger. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the alpha trend. Select the indicator made by Keybank Ozbilgic and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. First, we have change multiplier 1 to 0.2. Here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Let's see how we use these trading setups. In this video, I will execute 5 live trades to practically demonstrate just how clean and precise the signals generated by this indicator are. In every setup, the entry and exit points are clearly defined, thereby eliminating any confusion and making the decision-making process significantly easier. In each trade, I have focused on maintaining a risk-to-reward ratio of approximately 2.1 or higher, ensuring that I can capitalize on superior opportunities while keeping risk under control. Furthermore, the stop loss is consistently placed at the red line, ensuring that risk is properly managed and capital remains secure. This strategy proves truly effective only when executed with patience and discipline. Therefore, rather than blindly jumping into every signal, wait for proper confirmation and adhere strictly to the trading rules. So far, 2 indicators have combined to form a strong setup. Now let's add a third indicator that will further strengthen the confirmation and improve accuracy. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the Profit Maximizer PMAX. Select the indicator made by Keybank Ozbilgic and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. We need to reposition this label so that we can precisely identify exactly where to take the trade. First, we have change ATR length 10 to 1. We have change ATR multiplier 3 to 2.7. We have change moving average type EMA to TSF. Here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Let's see how we use these trading setups. Please support the channel by like and subscribe. In this video, I will demonstrate, through 5 live trades, just how clean and reliable the signals generated by this indicator are. Its most distinctive feature is that it offers a clearer and more structured approach compared to other setups, thereby simplifying the trading process. For each trade, the risk-to-reward ratio has been maintained at approximately 1.5 or higher, and the stop loss is consistently set at the red line. If you adhere to this method with discipline, this strategy can provide you with a significant trading edge. So far, 3 indicators combined are providing a strong confirmation. Now let's add a 4th indicator that offers final validation, making the entry points even more precise. We open the XAUUSD 1-minute chart. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the Artemis regression bands. Select the indicator made by AA or Jabarov and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. First, we have change bandwidth, 30 to 26. We have change base multiplier, 1 to 0.8. Here, everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Let's see how we use these trading setups. Please support the channel by like and subscribe. Not financial advice. 100% accuracy does not exist. Trade at your own risk. In this example, I have demonstrated by executing a live trade just how clean and clear the signals provided by this indicator are. Both the entry and exit points were clearly defined, making the decision-making process straightforward. For this trade, the risk-to-reward ratio was maintained at approximately 2.1 and the stop-loss privies low of the market, thereby ensuring that risk remained under control. Click the next video and continue building your structured trading approach.